We'll be showing the installation of the rear riser shelf for the Milsbo Tall. These countersunk holes will accept the nut and screw that will secure the shelf to our custom shelf pins. The shelf pin attaches similar to the original pins that are provided. Repeat steps on the opposite corner of the cabinet. Be sure to run any cables through the wire pass-through we have provided to ensure that your shelf is leveled. Line up the holes for the shelf pin with the shelf and insert the provided screw from the bottom. Insert the nut in the countersunk hole and gently tighten the screw. Repeat this step for the remaining holes. Install smaller pin in the middle. We also have these corner risers that are installed using the same method. You can attach the pin onto the shelf prior to installation. These shelves can help with arranging your plants and utilizing any empty areas of your cabinet. Thanks for watching.